Honourable Minister, the Acting Permanent Secretary of the Ministry of Economy. As you're all aware, COVID-19 has had significant consequences all around the globe, both in terms of health and its impact on economies as well. The economic impact is particularly felt by those countries that are heavily reliant on tourism, such as Fiji. In recognition of how deep the impact of COVID-19 has been on Fiji, Australia has supported Fiji by providing assistance to support the health system, but also by providing direct budget support. Now, Australia's been able to provide general budget support due to the confidence we have in the Government of Fiji's public financial management systems. In 2019, we assessed all elements of Fiji's public financial management, from the budgetary processes to the external audits. And having passed this rigid assessment with flying colours, Fiji qualified for budget support assistance. Having passed that hurdle, we, along with multilateral partners such as the World Bank and the ADB, agreed with the Government of Fiji on a set of reforms focused on public financial management, enhancing investment and business climate, and further strengthening climate, disaster and social resilience. The agreed reform actions must be met before budget support money is transferred. Now that they have, we have the means to provide budget support to Fiji, and the reform indicators have been met. As a consequence, under our COVID response package in December of last year, we provided 31 million Fiji dollars to Fiji to support social welfare schemes and payments. In April of this year, we committed an additional grant package of Fiji 55 million as general budget support. The agreement we have signed today is for a further Fiji 41 million as general budget support for this financial year. The economic impact of containing the virus for so long has taken a huge toll on the economy and on livelihoods. I'm very pleased to be able to sit here and talk about real practical support for Fiji. This budget support helps the government to keep up the excellent job it is doing in managing COVID-19.